Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to add materials to walls and discuss about glass walls. To get a detailed explanation, watch the video till end. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Hi, this is Varma. You are watching Varma's Architect channel. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. For the latest update, hit the bell icon. Hi friends, in today's video, let's discuss how to add materials to walls. Let's open Revit. Here you go, Revit has been opened. Type UN on keyboard, units will display and set it to centimeters. And click OK. Now let's create a wall. To know how to add materials to the walls, see this video till end to get a detailed explanation. Click escape. See the wall in 3D view. Click this to connect this height to level 2 and click on apply. It's changed. Select all these, click filter and select levels and click OK, and then click on this top constraint and select up to level 2 and click on apply. Okay. Walls height has been decreased. Now click one wall and go to edit type option in properties bar, and you see here structure. Here click on edit. Core boundary is mandatory and core boundary layer below and layer above are mandatory. You have to change the material to structure 1 only. Click on it. Here are the materials which can be used for any of the items like walls, doors, etc. So let's check. Let's open concrete. Let's open tile. Here you see ceramic tile, mosaic, tile porcelain. Let's take this and see how the wall looks like. Click on apply and click on OK. Here you see material has been added and click on OK. Click on apply and click OK. Change it to fine and change this graphic option to realistic. Here you see material has been added. See, material has been added to the entire wall. If you want to change the material for it, then entire wall will change. To change the material for only this wall, click on edit type and let's duplicate this wall to some name generate. OK. Your material has duplicated. That is it. Then click on it, edit type, click on click edit, change this material to some other material. Let's change it to tile quarry. Click on apply, click on OK. Here it's changed to tile quarry. Then click on OK, then click on OK. You see the wall has been changed. Like this way you can change walls, and you can change wall length from here also. Edit type, here edit, change it to 10. So let's change it to 100. Click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. See, here these walls are connected to this one. So these are all similar walls. If we change one wall length or thickness, the entire walls goes on change. Yes, you see this wall is duplicated, so it's not changed. Like this way you can add materials to walls. Let's see other options here. You can add some path, wall length, let's click on wall. We have so many walls. If you have curtain walls, click on wall, click on wall, click on curtain wall, go to floor level. Here you see curtain wall has activated. Press escape, select and move it. Let's go to 3D view. Here you see you get a curtain glass type wall in it. It is about the curtain walls. You can add glass walls to the existing wall command by using curtain walls. Next, let's see extra glazing walls. Here you see it is a combination of single glass, and here you see it is combination of different glasses which are separated by some materials, and these are known as extra glaze walls. Next type of wall is storefront. See, different. This is a single glass panel. These are divided into separate glass panels, and here you see the glass panel is connected with frames like this. You can add this to here also. Click on delete, click this, add it. Like this way you can add curtain walls. You can change this glazed panels. No walls have, you see, back glasses has been deleted. Next, edit type. Replace the vertical grid dimensions. Previous value is 142.40. Let's take it to 200. Click on apply, click on OK. See, dimensions has been changed. As per your requirement, you can change the dimensions also. Here, let's change horizontal grid. Change it to 150. Click on apply. Click on OK. See, you got 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. Like this way you can also change these also. Edit type, spacing. Let's change it to 50. Here you see so many columns has been added. You can also edit horizontal grid distance 40. Let's click on apply. You see it's look like a tail. These are about making a. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click on like button, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, comment below. Feel free to ask. I am here to help you.